A 95% profit decline, yet analysts are calling it a growth story. What's really happening inside Elecon Engineering's Q4 FY26 numbers? We're unpacking the headline numbers, solving the PAT mystery, looking at why the gear and MHE divisions are moving in different directions, and checking the massive new order book. Q4 delivered a quarter of contrasts. Revenue hit 746 crore. While that's down 6.5% year-on-year, it is actually a huge 35.1% jump from the previous quarter. However, EBITDA margins did squeeze down to 21.2%. Here is the elephant in the room. The 95.9% drop in reported profit to just 6 crore is almost entirely due to a one-time non-cash goodwill impairment of 102 crore. If you exclude this accounting charge, operational profit actually jumped 50% quarter-on-quarter. It is a tale of two divisions. The gear division saw revenue fall 21% to 472 crore due to global macro delays. Meanwhile, the material handling, or MHE division, is breaking out, surging nearly 37% with a stellar 22.8% EBIT margin. Despite the noise, the balance sheet remains a fortress. Elecon has extremely low leverage, with a debt-to-equity ratio of just 0.12x and a very healthy current ratio of 2.9x. The earnings are high quality. Even with the reported PAT distortions, the company generated 314 crore in cash flow from operations for FY26. They also deployed 116 crore into state-of-the-art machinery upgrades. Domestic demand is the king here, making up 78% of the business. While return on capital employed moderated to 20.4%, it remains healthy and is anchored by India's core infrastructure growth. Future growth looks secured. The total open order book has reached a record 1,292 crore, which is up 36% year-on-year. Most of this, 894 crore, is in high-value gear orders. It's not all smooth sailing. We have to track 4 red flags: the distorted baseline from the impairment, margin compression from higher employee costs, a jump in trade receivables to 721 crore, and ongoing global geopolitical headwinds.
The bull case? Market leadership and a record order book. The bear case? Global slowdowns impacting the gear division and the inherent cyclicality of the engineering sector. Management is signaling strong conviction by recommending a 1.50 rupee per share final dividend. This payout is fully supported by a healthy cash balance of 212 crore. The bottom line? Ignore the noise of the 95% PAT drop. It's just a paper charge. The MHE division is carrying the growth, and that massive 1,292 crore backlog is a major safety net for FY27. Does Elecon's record order book outweigh the margin squeeze and global headwinds for you? Drop your thesis in the comments below. If you found this Elecon Engineering's earnings deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, save, and share this video. Follow and subscribe to ZinvestZ for more smart investing insights. Thanks for tuning in.